Alright boys, welcome back to another video. Today we took one trade and we only took it on this. Low-key got a little fleeced, but I'll tell you guys why I took this trade. So coming into the day, I did want to be bullish because we were retracing into this 4-hour gap, which look is still playing out perfect. But I wanted to see us sweep the lows and come in. We did exactly that. Oops. I waited for this change in state. This candle closed way too gone, which made this trade a little less probable. And so instead of entering off that, I waited for confirmation to inverse this fair value gap. Once we did that, I got a iffy fill. But I had my take profit was right here, which was perfect, to be honest. I ended up closing a little earlier because if we come to ES, this was my take profit on ES, I believe. It ended up hitting the highs at 51, and you can see I closed it a little earlier just because it swept it first. I think I actually closed on this candle or something, but I closed it out a little earlier because of ES. So we didn't profit too much because I was also de-risking heavy. That's something I'm going to start doing. I'm not going to be trading as heavy anymore because I realized one was just over risking, and I'm still trying to find confidence within my setup. This was a trade I wanted to take, but I ended up getting off because I have class. I wanted this inverse 3-minute. I would have entered right here, targeted highs. Would have played out perfectly, but I was getting ready for class, so couldn't do that. But yeah, no, I'm just trying to get comfortable with my what do you call it? Trying to get comfortable with my setup right now, so I'm gonna be de-risking very heavily when I trade, not just on the express but on the funded as well. I know people kind of have that, but as you guys can see, I started adding a lockout to prevent those days of me losing a lot of money like yesterday. So yeah, no, today felt perfect. I felt like I knew what market was wanting to do and where market wanted to go. And yeah, I got to get going to class, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to be posting a little TikTok today too, if you guys want to go check out that TikTok. I'm going to add that stuff into my YouTube bio and stuff like that, so I'd appreciate it if you guys would drop a follow and go check that out too. But yeah, I'm going to try to start getting that going as well. Hopefully I can meet some people that can help me and stuff like that, so I'll see y'all boys tomorrow.